It's another wrenching experience.
That's concerning.
What's that?
It's got like brand new oil. Brand new. Like it's never been ran.
The filter on the bottom looks pretty good too.
Show the class the dipstick.
Don't point the camera at me for that.
Alright, so what we're going to start with is just hooking up booster cables. But I noticed we didn't get any spark off of here, which is good and bad. It also makes me wonder if we got good connection anywhere. So, I'm going to go hit the key switch. Let's see what happens here. Yeah. I want to throw it in neutral maybe just make sure it's not. Alright. Nothing.
No lights.
Let's see if we got any headlights. Nothing. Oh, we got headlights. That's where the good news ends. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take a look down at the starter and check out that fusible link. Here we are down at the starter. This is the starter, this is the solenoid. We have two wires here. These are both fusible links. This one feels pretty good and this one feels pretty shot. So I think this one is gone. It just feels very flimsy. So I'm going to pop this off and we'll take a look if we can't fix that or not. So hang tight. Okay, so we tested the fusible links. They actually test out good. We're going to clean up these ends, stick it back on. We'll give her another go, but I don't think it's going to be our issue. Next stop, we're going to head under the dash and check some fuses, I think. Okay, so we clean up the connection down there and we now have an interior light. So I really hope it's not that simple. It's going to be a lame video. I go ahead and give her a go. We'll see if it turns, then we'll go from there. Okay, so we got no power to the ignition, so we're chasing down some wiring. We've seen this guy here with this block on it. It tells you it's a fusible link. Then we notice it's burnt off. When we look up here, we see this guy. That's going to be a pretty good indicator that that's going to be our problem. So we'll get this repaired and we'll see that piece. CJ will show you there. This finger right in there. Just splice that in. Now maybe I'll go and I'll turn the key and see if I got anything at the dash. I won't turn to try to start it yet. Okay, so we got the key. Let's see here. So before we had no dash lights at all. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we got dash lights. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it is starting to turn over though. Let's see what we got.
Lots of smoke coming out of here and arcing, so
okay.
I think the ground
is a little terrible.
Yeah. I am going to clean up this clamper there.
Alright. Okay, we'll try a round two. You ready, Freddie?
My name's CJ. It's not Freddie.
Here we go.
Trying to spin the motor by hand.
From the top, probably, eh?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Hold on a second. Looks like this video just took a turn.
That's because the motor didn't. It's another wrenching experience.
So this is a tool I want to try today. Basically what you do is you unbolt your 3 bolts off of your crank pulley, these guys, and then you bolt that guy on, you take your ratchet, boom, and you can move it back and forth like so. You know, you can use the crank pulley bolt itself, but if you get on it too hard, you do run the risk of breaking it. And it's also only good for going one way. You know, righty tighty, lefty loosey, you just end up loosening the bolt. But with this, you can actually move it both ways. I'll try and include the manufacturer and part number on here. This is the first one that I've used. And you can see you can either put a 1/2-inch ratchet in here, or you can just use a wrench on there as well. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside and we'll give this a go. I'm back at iPull-uPull. We'll go inside and we'll see if we can't break that thing free. I'm not so sure what to expect from this, but we'll go in and we'll find out right now.
Every once in a while, one of my jokes does not work out. It doesn't happen very often.
Send me, All right, here we go. You guys see? Here we go. Oh boy. Not touching. Oh boy.
Son of a birch.
I'm gonna try and bring it back properly here.
We have movement.
Oh boy.
Is it not moving nice? Or is it hitting one spot and just going, no?
Back to where I started. Just hold it.
Do you need me to hold that?
Nope, no I don't. I don't think so.
Shake. Uh-oh. I'm laughing with you.
Want to show the class?
Okay, that's okay.
That was great. Something did break.
I'm gonna get her
So now we got her.
All good without the one.
Good and fairly early. Alright. So it moves freely now, so we're gonna take this off and put the pulley back on.
Explain what's going on. Okay, so we got her broke free. We don't have any plugs or anything on it right now, so we're just gonna hit the key and let it spin over a bit. Anytime you're ready, Sage. Yeah. Try it again. Yeah. One more time. Yep. Perfect.
It is finally unseized. Yeah. So now, just putting the spark plugs back in. Okay, this is the part of the build together that maybe it's now got
Okay,
to.
so we got it all back together. We put some fuel down the vent here on the carburetor. So we got fuel in there, we got the plugs in, we got the wires back on. We don't know if we're timed right or anything, but we're going to give it a go here. Go ahead, Siege. Okay. See what happens. Here we go. Kill it, Sage.
That's cool.
We don't want to fill her up with exhaust in here.
She's a little stinky, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
That sounded better than anticipated.
We got proof of life.
Yep.
It ran pretty smooth, surprisingly.
Not bad. No noises. So there you have it. We would have let it run longer, but we are inside the lobby of iPull-uPull. We didn't really want to smoke out the customers or the staff. We really just wanted to see proof of life, and we succeeded with that. Runs pretty smooth. If you're looking at buying something like this, I think it was on for $26.99. Go down and check it out. If I was in the market for one, I'd definitely buy this one. All right, take care, guys. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so.